welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Yellow color. A for apricot. A for apricot. Red color. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Purple color. C for carrot. C for carrot. Green color. D for donkey. D for donkey. Orange color. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. Purple color. F for fish. F for fish. Green color. G for goat. G for goat. Purple color. H for hand. H for hand. Red color. I for eyes. I for eyes. Orange color. J for joker. J for joker. Yellow color. K for kite. K for kite. Red color. L for lemon. L for lemon. Purple color. M for mango. M for mango. Green color. N for nest. N for nest. Orange color. O for owl. O for owl. Purple color. P for piano. P for piano. Green color. Q for queen. Q for queen. Yellow color. R for rain. R for rain. Red color. S for sister. S for sister. Yellow color. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for village. V for village. W for water. W for water. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.